What's up, you guys? It's me, Tevin the Toy Guy. I'm at ToysRus in Hoover, Alabama. Yesterday I was at ToysRus in the Summit. I don't know, that's Birmingham, Vestavia, or Mount Brook, wherever, but I'm just looking to see what can I find on sale. Nope, I don't want no Baby Alive dolls. I could buy one for my little cousin, but this the same one I bought her last year, except the one I bought her got brown hair, tan skin. Only Baby Alive they got here is the blonde hair, blue eyed ones. And here's Cabbage Patch Kids. I don't know what kind of doll I'm buying her for Christmas. I might get her one of them creatorology dolls I bought from Michael's last month. But I don't know right now. I have a Made Smooth Barbie in my hand. I don't know why I picked it up, but I'm finna scan it and see if it's on sale. Last week I was lucky to get Made to Move Barbie and ToysRus for 20% off. She's $15 still. But I'm not mad at that, but it's still a good price for a good quality articulated body. They're gonna put her back. And I see Hello Barbie, but there's still no sign of African American or Hispanic versions. I'm gonna ask one of them at customers service when they'll get them. Oh, I need to get out. I need to get away because there's a customer behind me. And the good thing about this aisle is they got plenty of the Project MC Square dolls. No sign of braiding, but the other ToysRus I've been to didn't have any at all. Need to get away again because the customer behind me. I don't want to get nobody in my video. Oops, pause. Okay, so I'm back in the Barbie aisle. I don't think I'll be buying anything today because what I seen at the other ToysRus they didn't even have. And I should have bought it yesterday. Don't need her. I already bought another one from Target Wednesday. I want this one, but I'm gonna have to wait. I'm gonna wait to see if my mom gonna give me some money before Christmas. And if she does, this gonna be one of the dolls I get. I got plenty of time early next year to get the articulated ones. But it look like this gonna be it for this video. I don't see nothing I really want today. But if you like this video, you can rate, comment, or subscribe to my channel. Bye.